Is this the end of the high dollar?
Well, I think we probably are. During 2023, we're going to see ongoing dollar weakness. I think that's the main narrative. Very simple. Obviously, the Fed is going to come to an end in hiking, and the CPI number point in the right direction. We're going to get only 25 basis points, probably not even go above 5%. And then, more importantly, beyond that is really the relative growth story, which is starting to pan out more favorable for obviously China and Europe. And I think if you add both things together, there's ongoing weakness that normally underpins a euro-dollar move to a 110, for example. And you spoke about the CNY. We're looking at CNY heading towards 6.5 throughout this year.
Let's talk about the other interest rate situation that we're facing this morning. The Bank of Korea raised its rates today, and we're just getting flashes from the Bank of Korea, some comments from the press conference they're holding, saying that not the entire board was behind the rate decision today. What do you think of what's happening in Korea?
Well, I think it's probably the last rate hike from the Bank of Korea. I would even think about there's going to be a rate cut coming in the second quarter of this year, given where the economy is. You see the unemployment trajectory. Okay, you have seen export a little bit declining less than expected, but still the economy is on a softening path. So I think they're done. What does it mean for the currency side?
There is a comment. There is a comment here from Rhee, the Bank of Korea's Rhee, saying Friday's statement and comments do not promise that rates will be kept unchanged in the future.
Yeah, I think that points to a cut, I would say, at some point in the second quarter from our side, given the softness in the economy. That's why we'll be a little bit cautious. The Korean won has done extremely well, so I would still expect dollar Korean won basically going north of 1,300. That's something to look at. But overall, if really we are in the regime of dollar weakness throughout 2023, then I think the Korean won will be well bid still. But at this point, wouldn't chase it anymore. We'll look a little bit for a move up in dollar Korean won.